To begin my 3D printer key tags, I'm going to make sure I have my list done. I have my key tag that I drew in Inventor. I exported CAD format and changed it to an STL file, and I saved it to the portable flash drive, the thumb drive, into the My Hour folder. Next, I'm going to turn on my 3D printer. There's a switch in the back. I'm going to take and turn that on. You're going to hear some beeping noise. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to push the front toggle switch for initializing. I'm going to hold it down for 1 to 2 seconds until it starts beeping. Then I let go of the toggle switch and the 3D printer is going to start up. Next, after I have that done, I'm going to click on the 3D Afina icon here on the desktop, and it's going to launch our program. On the 3D printer, I'm going to pick off any loose plastic that I see off the tip, and then up here in the top pull down menu, I'm going to go to 3D print, and I'm going to select nozzle height detect. Right now the 3D printer is automatically moving to find out where the tabletop height is. It's going fairly quick right now, but then it's going to slow down when it gets closer to the table. After it detects the table height, you're going to get a menu that pops up that tells you the table height. We're just going to select OK on that. It's almost close to being done right now. And here it is. Our height is 131.40. Here we're going to select OK. Next we're going to go to 3D print, pull down menu, and I am going to select maintenance. Here I'm going to start preheating my table. I'm going to table heat 1 hour. Click to select that, and now I can click quit. You can see down here in the bottom my platform is beginning to preheat. Right here it is, 37.8, and it's going to increase from there. Next I'm going to take my flash drive, the portable flash drive that's connected to the chain to the block of wood that says 3D on it. I'm going to plug that into the USB port on the computer, and then I'm going to select open from the top. I'm going to go to my pull down menu and I'm going to go to my removable disk right here. Click that. I'm going to go to my hour folder and I'm going to place my key tag and click open. It comes in fairly big and it's not scaled proportionally, so we're going to click on our scale button here in the top, and I'm going to highlight the number here to scale it by, and I'm going to type in 0.3937, and then I'm going to click scale again, and it's going to put it on my table. After I have it scaled, I'm going to click place, and that's going to drop it onto the bed of the printer. Next I want to go back to open. I'm going to get my other key tag, or my partner's key tag that's saved on there, up to 2 people that we're going to print at one time. Select open. That comes in fairly large. Once again I'm going to go to scale button. I'm going to highlight my scale factor, and that number again is 0.3937, and click scale again. Then I want to click place, and that places my 2 key tags on the bed of the printer. 2 is all we're going to do at a time. So this is mine and this is Mr. Bowen's. Next, after I have my 2 key tags placed on the bed of the printer, I'm going to go up to the top, pull down menu, 3D print, and I'm going to select startup. 3D print, setup. Here is where I'm going to set my resolution. I want to change the resolution. I think default it comes in at 0.15 millimeters. I'm going to change it to 0.30 millimeters. and I'm going to select OK. After you have that done, we are waiting for the platform to preheat up to 70 degrees. Once it has preheated up to 70 degrees, I'm going to go up here to the top in the pull down menu and I'm going to click print. I'll move this off to the side so we can see everything on the screen. And once this has reached 70 degrees, the platform, I have one more degree to go, then I'm going to click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to take a little bit of time for the nozzle to preheat. Right now the nozzle's at 27 degrees. So I'm going to click OK. You can see my table temperature down here is 70.9, 71. I'm going to click OK. And it's going to take a little bit of time for the nozzle to reach 260 degrees. Once it does, it will start printing. You can see down here, it gives you material, 10.9 grams of material. It's going to take 19 minutes to print, and it gives you the time to finish as well. You can click OK. The nozzle is going to increase here pretty rapidly. Once it reaches 260 degrees, it will begin to print. When you're finished, you can remove your key tags from the base. Congratulations, you are done.